So I'm going to record you a quick video on how to get around IP blocks or VPN blocks, geo restrictions, stuff like that when it comes to using a VPN on online games. I'm going to use XDefiant as an example, as well as Xbox 360 games. This works on PC, Xbox, PlayStation, and really anything that you're going to use a computer to get a VPN on another device. So like in this case, I'm using ICS, or if you're just playing on PC and using a VPN as normal, it could also help you there. So I'll go ahead and show you an example real quick. So I've already loaded up the first one. Oh, let's switch over. So on XDefiant, if you're on a VPN, then this is usually the error that you're going to get when trying to load in. On a 360 game, which I'll go ahead and do for you real quick, in my experience, a lot of the Xbox 360 servers do not like VPNs, especially some of the newer ones. So you usually get a screen like this, or you'll get an error, or you'll get both, depending on if your account's already downloaded or not. So usually what you'll see here is it'll just never load, because what's happening is the servers are blocking the connection from the VPN. My best guess is they likely think it's a malicious server or an attacker. So this is what'll happen. It will give up. It'll take you to this screen, make you try to sign in. You go to download your profile, and I don't even think it matters if you can enter it or not, because I don't even think it'll let you. Yep. Meanwhile, if I go and open up the Xbox menu, you can see that we're very, very much still online. So, the solution. We're going to jump over to my computer monitor. So in order to fix this, so I've got my software open already. You don't need to necessarily be using ExpressVPN. It could be any software. It doesn't matter that it's sorry, I accidentally closed my stuff. Yeah, it doesn't matter that it's this particular software. You could use any VPN. Doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off to make the adjustments that I need to make. But before we do that, I need you guys to go to your search and type network connections. And then you open this. And then it will open this right here. What we're going to do is we're going to go from here. I'm going to click options. And right now, currently, we have it on lightweight, which is usually the faster, especially the UDP one. This one works. It's not great, and it's not going to work for what we need right now. The only one in my testing that works 100% of the time is this one. So when I go and click this, and I click OK, I can't just turn it back on, because right now I'm sharing off the lightweight protocol. So we're going to click this, go over to sharing. I'm going to uncheck this box, because I'm switching protocols right now to a different one. So this one right here, I've got it labeled 4COD because I know this is the one. I'm going to go in here. We're going to share it. I'm going to click the console line. Now, when I dial into this, jump back over to the console screen. So now, if I restart this game, let's go to XDefiant. Because I don't actually have my 360 account logged in right now, or downloaded, sorry. But now when we do this, it should just work. It should just let us right in. So a lot of people, the solution I see online that a lot of people are posting is to turn off the VPN. You do not need to turn off the VPN. You just need to switch to a older protocol. So in this case, I'm using OpenVPN TCP. I've tried UDP. It is faster, but doesn't work 100% of the time. So your best bet is to use the TCP. The download speeds aren't great. Same with the upload seems to stay pretty consistent, but the download is like gone. And there we are. We're in the menu. We can play. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Enjoy.